Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. So today I want to go ahead and start preparing these my small raised beds for fall vegetable planting. So I have 8 of these beds, 4 on each side of the house along my fence. So they are about 8 foot long, 1 foot wide, and I think 6 inches tall. They are small beds. So what I want to do, I've already removed all the plants that I had in the summer, and I want to go ahead and add, take out the mulch and then add the compost, mix that compost in, and then as once that goes in well, I'll go ahead and start planting my fall veggies. So this is how the beds look like right now. So they are, the mulch will be taken out. So that's the first bed. This is the second bed right here. As you can see, it has some weeds in it. I'll take those out as well. The third bed is right here. Yeah, there are some weed seeds that are already starting, so I need to get rid of those. And the fourth bed is right here. I do have some, these collard greens were from earlier this year. Somehow they've survived it through the summer heat, but I'll go ahead and just take them out and just clear out this bed and start afresh. Plant some. I have some collard green seedlings anyway. So I'll go ahead. Let's get started with this project right here. So here I'm just getting rid of the mulch. Well, I'm not getting rid of it. I'll put it to the side. The mulch will go back once the seedlings have established. So I'm taking the mulch out. Next up, I'm just loosening the topsoil a little bit in preparation for adding the compost in. So this compost is just organic compost. It's just whatever is available at my local supplier. It's nothing special. So I'll fill the beds in with it and then rake it in just a little bit. I'll be careful not to disturb too much of the bottom layers of the bed, but I'll at least rake in the compost in the first few inches of the bed. So if you're curious about these small raised beds, I have a video on my channel somewhere. I built them, I want to say maybe a year and a half ago. I have a video somewhere on the channel if you want to see how I built them. They're just, there's nothing really special about them. So here's the second bed, pulling out the weeds before before I remove the mulch. So this mulch will be recycled, but I need to make sure that the weeds, I don't bring in weeds into when I'm putting the mulch back in. Make sure that there are no weeds in there. Okay, adding some compost to the second one. So I'll repeat this process for the rest of the other 6 beds. Like I said, I have 8 in total. I won't show the rest. It's the same process. I won't show the rest on camera, but I'll go ahead and do that, and then we'll come back once I finished preparing, cleaning up these beds and preparing them for the new planting season. Okay, so we are done. This is how the beds are looking like. That's the second one. That's the third one. And this is the fourth one. Everything is raked in. Things are looking good. This is on the other side. That's bed number 5. Number 6 is here. 7. I did put some ant dust because I saw that there was some ants in between the bed and the fence. And then this is bed number 8. So I still had some basil here, which looked good. So I decided to go ahead and just leave that basil in, let it grow out a little bit. I still harvest from it, so there's no need to take it out. So here are the seedlings that I'll be planting. So we have some colored greens right here. These are about 5 weeks since the seeds were started. We have lettuce here. Another set of lettuce right there. So these are mustard greens. These are red Russian kale. The spinach is sort of behind. Spinach takes time. I see one seedling, but I'll let that one go for a while. We have a different type of kale. I think this is the lacinato kale, and I think a dwarf blue kale in this set of in this pack right here. More lettuce, and then more mustard greens. There's a tomato in here, which the seedling probably fell in the wrong pack. Tomatoes have already been planted out in the garden. So these are the seedlings that will be going in these beds, and looking forward to planting. And I think I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you. Bye.